How to check credit card balance in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Log in your online banking account using your user ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account section from the main dashboard. Here you will see a list of your accounts, including your credit card. Click on your credit card account to view the current balance, available credit, recent transactions, and payment due date. Alternatively, you can check your credit card balance by calling Fifth Third Bank customer service. Dial the number on the back of your credit card and follow the prompts to hear your balance. And that's it. Now you know how to check your credit card balance in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.